The future of electric luxury SUVs is here, and it's wearing 4 rings. Welcome back to CarCultureState, where today we're diving into the 2025 Audi Q8 e-tron. Audi's flagship electric SUV has been refreshed and refined to push the boundaries of what premium electric driving really means. At first glance, the Q8 e-tron doesn't scream for attention, but there's a confidence in its design. It's sleek, bold, and unmistakably Audi. The new single-frame grille with illuminated contours, sharper LED lighting elements, and a cleaner front fascia all combine to give it a futuristic but grounded look. It's not just aesthetics either. The redesigned front and rear improve aerodynamics, bringing the drag coefficient down to just 0.27. That might sound like a small detail, but it means a smoother, quieter ride and better efficiency. Step around the side, and you'll notice this SUV has grown up. It's still elegant and muscular, sitting on massive wheels, but the proportions feel more purposeful now. The charging port has a sleek automatic cover, and the flush door handles remind you this is a car from tomorrow. Around the back, Audi keeps things simple but modern. A continuous LED light strip ties the rear together with a strong presence. Subtle updates, but they work together to elevate the design. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast. The 2025 Q8 e-tron comes with a dual motor setup as standard. The Q8 55 e-tron delivers 402 horsepower and 490 lb-ft of torque, which translates to a 0-60 time of just 5.4 seconds. If you want even more performance, Audi offers the Q8 e-tron, which packs 3 motors with a total output of 496 horsepower and up to 718 lb-ft of torque. That'll get you to 60 in just 4.2 seconds, which is seriously impressive for a luxury SUV tipping the scales over 6,000 pounds. One of the biggest changes for 2025 is in range. Audi has upgraded the battery pack to a 114 kWh unit in the Q8 55 and Q8 trims, giving the standard Q8 e-tron an EP estimated range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. That's a huge improvement over the previous generation. Thanks to the more efficient motors, better energy management, and a more aerodynamic design, you can now take longer trips without anxiety. Charging is also quick and painless. The Q8 e-tron supports up to 170 kilowatts DC fast charging, which means you can go from 10 to 80% in just about 30 minutes. At home on a level 2 charger, you're looking at a full charge overnight. Audi also includes plug-in charge capability, which makes public charging easier by automatically starting and billing your session without needing apps or cards. Just plug in and let it handle the rest. Inside, the Q8 e-tron is every bit the luxury SUV you expect from Audi. Open the door and you're greeted with premium materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused cockpit. The dual touchscreen layout returns, with a 10.1-inch upper screen and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate and other controls.